If you're experiencing server timeout issues in EAFC25, there are several steps you can take to potentially increase the timeout duration. Follow these steps for guidance. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and has sufficient speed. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to frequent timeouts. Consider using a wired connection for better reliability. Step 2. Adjust router settings. Access your router settings and look for quality of service QoS options. Prioritize gaming traffic to improve connection stability. Also, ensure that your router firmware is up to date to avoid any connectivity issues. Step 3. Configure firewall settings. Check your firewall settings on both your router and computer. Make sure that EAFC25 is allowed through the firewall. You may need to add exceptions for the game to prevent it from being blocked. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Switch to a public DNS server like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8, 4.4 or Cloudflare DNS 1.1, 1.1. This can help improve connection speeds and reduce timeout issues by providing a more reliable DNS resolution. Step 5. Contact EA support. If the problem persists, reach out to EA support for assistance. They may have specific recommendations or solutions tailored to your situation, especially if there are ongoing server issues. By following these steps, you can work towards reducing server timeout issues in EAFC25. If problems continue, staying in touch with support can provide further insights and solutions.